How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Commodore Cartel. As I said last video, we'll be doing some mods on my car, and here it is. Alright, so at the moment what I've just done is I've put 3 washers on top and bottom of the exhaust to make a gap. Wouldn't recommend just gapping the bottom, gives a much different sound, doesn't sound as nice, doesn't ruins the flanges as well. So I gapped it 3 top and bottom both sides, and we'll give you a idling and revving noise. Rightio, we're just gonna go get some fuel, and then we'll be back and we'll do the straight pipes. $1.22 for 98. Just got fuel, fucking cheap. Now we're gonna be putting on the straight pipes, and should sound good. Guys, this is it with straight pipes. So, in my opinion, they're almost the exact same as having a gap, except it costs you less because you don't have to buy straight pipes, you just buy washers or reuse some. But when you're revving it, it is much more high pitch and finer, so it's more like a, I guess you could call it a trumpet, like hitting a high note. So guys, this has been the Commodore Cartel video on modifying my car. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a bit far-fetched, it's just a stock car and we're just mucking around, you know, trying to make some fun around here. Anyway, stay tuned, there's more videos to come. We'll be doing the straight pipes, we'll be putting dual tips on them, so we'll be cutting them back, tack welding, all that stuff, so you get to see the process. Leave a thumbs up if you want to see that. Let us know in the comments if you don't. Yeah.